Hi everyone, in this video we will be reviewing some of the basic components of latitude and longitude, and we will practice plotting 2 points. So let's take a look at our map, our globe right here. Let's first talk about latitude. Remember, latitude are lines that go across the map and measure distances north and south. So right now I will highlight the 15 degrees north line of latitude. Latitude goes across my map. And if I am above the equator, I am north. So any line of latitude above the equator would have a compass direction north. If I am below the equator, like 15 degrees south, okay, anything below the equator will have a compass direction south. And these are your lines that go across the map but measure distances north and south of the equator. The equator is the line directly in the middle of the Earth, okay, and it cuts the Earth into 2 pieces, north and south, and the equator has a value of 0 degrees. Now let's review our longitude. So longitude are lines that go long ways, right? Longitude has the word long in it. They go long ways, but they measure distances east and west of the prime meridian. The prime meridian is my main line of longitude, or my reference point for longitude. Okay, and the prime meridian is 0 degrees longitude. And if your prime meridian is in the center and you go to the west, then your degrees of longitude will have values, compass directions west. So here would be 30 degrees west. This line here is 60 degrees west. If I were to go the other way, I would be going east. So this line here is 30 degrees east, 60 degrees east. I'm going this way. I'm going east of the prime meridian. Think of Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia. Those are all eastern countries. Sometimes you might hear North America referred to as western countries. That's because they have western values for longitude. Let's practice plotting 2 points. The first point that I will practice plotting is point A at 45 degrees north and 30 degrees west. So let's first start with the latitude, 45 degrees north. If it's north, I want to go north of the equator or above the equator. So here's 15, 30, 45 degrees north. I'm going to highlight this entire line of latitude, 45 degrees north, and it's 30 degrees west. Now remember, latitude and longitude, when you use them together, give you an exact point on Earth. If I only had the latitude, it would be this entire yellow line across the globe. That does not give me an exact point. I need both latitude and longitude to give me an exact point. So if I need to find 30 degrees west, I will start at the prime meridian, and I'm going to move west, which in this case is to the left, but be careful, that is not always the case. So I'm moving west of the prime meridian to 30 degrees. I will highlight this line of longitude in blue. So now we can see by using both latitude and longitude, there is one intersection point where these 2 lines meet, and this gives me an exact location on Earth's surface. This is point A. Let's try another example. I will now look at point B here. Point B is 15 degrees south, 30 degrees east. Again, I'm going to use my highlighter to show you as an example. Okay, 15 degrees south. If I'm looking south, I want to go below the equator. South, south, south. 15 degrees south is this line here. I will highlight the whole line of latitude to show you. And I want to go 30 degrees east. So I want to remember, here's my prime meridian. This way is west. And on the other side of the prime meridian is east. So 0, 30, 60. Here's the 60-degree east line. I will highlight that in blue. And I can again find the exact point where these two lines intersect to plot location B.